Hey everybody!
Hey guys!
And welcome back. Today we're going to take a trip to Richmond and we're going to do a little bit of shopping, but first we have to take our little woman who's sitting in the back seat for a little walk.
Back there still.
You excited to go walking? Yes, you excited, girl. Lexi, you want to go outside? Go walking? Yes, sir, girl. High five. High five. High five. Good girl. Out here at the beautiful Monticello trails, taking your children for a walk. You know sometimes you got to. And then she's got to smell every 2 seconds. That's always fun. How you doing?
I'm trying to see the sights and you're walking so fast.
And I'm wondering why you brought a purse. So I guess we all wonder some magical things.
Yeah, it's really throwing my balance off.
How you doing? Oh.
Get that. How you doing? You asking me to tell?
How you doing, honey? Lex, look. Good girl. You have a good walk? High five, you had fun. That's my girl. Well, after an hour of driving, we finally made it to the old Richmond. And you know we gotta take our first stop at the Chick-fil-A. If you don't think this is the highlight of a mall, then I don't know what is. Oh, she's doing the... You're supposed to ride these. These are the free amusement park rides that you get. And she's walking it. Out here shopping, about to go into H&M. Wow, these models nowadays look so lifelike. Bloody Harry, that platform 9 3/4. Dang, they're closed. Well, we're leaving the mall. I'm the only one that bought something. As hype as she was acting, I'm still the one that always makes a purchase.
No, they didn't have my size and the ones that I liked.
I got some trippy Vans. I guess that's what they call it. Cool kids wear them, so I'm gonna wear them too. Well, now we're gonna go back to the mall and see if we can find some shirts to tie-dye to make something cool. We got the goods. We'll show you what it looks like when we get back. After a long, stressful day of shopping, you know you gotta go to Sonic and treat yourself to an Oreo blast. Isn't that right?
Right. Boom! What? You sit down.
Alright, so we're back and we decided to go to Dick's and get a baseball quarter sleeve shirt to match. And now we're going to show you guys how we do tie-dyeing.
Woo! I didn't know we were holding them up. Come on, little looky glue. I'm trying to save you. Let me. Oh, honey, I'm sorry. I did not mean to knock you off. You're fine right there. You can stay. Kaput. That's fine. I'm sorry.
Alright, so most people, when they tie-dye, they do fancy designs. We're not fancy. So, I'm just going to get a little sassy with it and do it my way.
Yep, just wing it. All you gotta do is wing it.
That's what you do in college? High school?
That's what I do in life.
Life.
Life, exactly.
Just wing it.
I'm just trying to find out where to put my hand in this glove. I'm gonna do it like a little bullet.
Well, you are.
Right.
Right.
Don't mess up my creativity, okay?
See, just get sassy with it. So like we said, I'm just doing a bunch of random little knots. I'm not doing any style. But the last time I did this, it actually turned out pretty sick. So hopefully I model that again. And then I don't know what she's doing.
Well, I did a spiral last time, but I don't want to do it with like the black sleeves because I'm worried the dye just won't look good on them. So I'm just kind of doing it random.
Here's what the outcome looks. As you can see, we just scrunched it together. Now it's time for the best part. Just spray in the colors. And I'm going with black and red because those are my two favorite colors. I also like blue. But yeah.
We also only have 3 colors.
But I picked these colors because they're my favorite. So now get sassy with it.
Ooh, that came on.
And when you spray it on, you have to remember that just spraying it on isn't going to get to it. So you want to take your hands and you want to like massage it into the material so that it really soaks down into it.
And don't get on your buddy shirt either.
What the hell was that?
I don't know.
And another thing people usually forget sometimes is make sure you really pry apart where your rubber band is or you'll have a lot of white. But if you don't care about a lot of white, then that'll be fine. The next step, you want to put it in a Ziploc bag and you want to let it sit for, you can probably do it less, but we do 24 hours. So you'll want to let it sit for 24 hours. Well, we got our final product. We'll see you guys in 24 hours. Now it's the best part of the whole entire tie-dyeing. You're going to take them out of the bag, see what you got. Put them into a bathtub or a sink. Maybe. Now you just want to let it soak in water and squeeze out your shirt to get off all the extra dye that may be left on it. So you just want to take the shirt, get it wet, and just squeeze it to get all the extra dye off of it. Like so. Next step, you want to fill up your tub with warm water and you're going to put your shirts in there and let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes and put some laundry detergent in there and you're going to rub the shirts gently and then let them dry and we'll show you the outcome when they're dry. Well, after you let your shirts dry, here's our end results. As you can see, you have the lovely blue with a little bit of purple. Then I got just a smorgasbord of black. We'll do a 360 spin to give you the full thing.
Yeah, I definitely didn't do my circles in the best spots, and kind of looks like I have a sea turtle on my shirt here. I don't know if you can see that. But...
And where can you see these shirts also?
We also wore these in our awesome trailer that we just made. You can find that trailer on our Facebook page, The Adventures of Caleb and Taylor.
And we're also going to post it to our YouTube channel.
Yes.
So if you don't have a Facebook and don't have access to that, we're also going to put it up there to give you like a little brief look at what our channel is going to have to offer. It's just something fun that we just put together, so stay tuned for that. And like always, we hope you enjoyed. And we're going to try to keep on posting more content. We're going to try to keep it Tuesdays and Saturdays the best we can. So yeah, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Thank you guys.